Hello, our project is called the Disco Truck, and this is by Nathan Vance and Jaime Zamora.
We used an Elegoo car kit, an Arduino Uno, and an Arduino Mega, 4 RGB LEDs, an ultrasonic sensor, and we made a small breadboard with 330 ohm resistors soldered into a circuit on it.
So, as an overview of our project, we're basically integrating the ultrasonic sensor with RGB LEDs. So in this, the sensor is reading values that it's constantly sending out. We're converting that into distance. Once we convert that into distance, we're turning those distances into voltages given to each individual red, blue, and green LEDs within the RGB LED. Once the driver pulls the car into within 10 centimeters of an object, the car will display a rainbow effect with the LEDs. This is a safety function that we integrated into our code. It warns the driver to basically back up, and yeah.
This is a small schematic of the circuit that we designed. RGB LEDs are basically 3 LEDs in one. They've got a red, green, and blue element, so it has 4 legs instead of 2 like a regular LED. 1 for the ground, and 3 to receive the pulse width modulated variation in voltages. So they can have different brightness levels of red, green, and blue, and the combo can produce thousands of different colors. Kind of the same way a pixel on a phone screen or a TV screen would work. We used 2 Arduinos because we needed enough pulse width modulated outputs to make the whole thing work properly.
So here is a little snippet of our code as well as the flow chart of how our code runs. So as you can see right here, it's gathering the sensor value. Right there, it's converting to the distance and then determining whether that distance is less than or greater than 10 centimeters. So if it is less than 10 centimeters, it's going to display the rainbow pattern. If not, it's going to input that distance into each individual code that we made per LED. So it's going to go here, here, here. They'll do some weird color like magenta, and then come all the way back and constantly change until proven otherwise. So now we're going to show you our videos. So here is the Bluetooth control of our car. We're just showing you the basic functions that it reverses, moves forward, turns, as well as the little change in color there. We'll show you a better demonstration in the following video. There you can see the rainbow pattern. It's very light. You'll be able to see it better again in the next video.
Here it's moving an object closer and closer to it. You can see the RGB LEDs changing color. Now that we've gotten within 10 centimeters, it's doing the rainbow pattern we programmed it to do. He's going to back it away, and you'll be able to see
Eventually.
you'll be able to see how each color for the LEDs is set up with a different formula based on distance. So when one color is fading, the other is getting brighter. That allows us to display a whole lot of different colors with just those LEDs.
Thank you.